Hey little friends, come dance today. Clap your hands, let's count and play. Move your feet, feel happy and free. Are you ready? Count with me. One big jump up to the sky. Two quick claps, let's try, try, try. Three toe taps on the floor. Dance a little, count some more. Count and dance, come follow me. Moving, learning happily. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Count the numbers, nice and slow. 4 turns round, spin in place. 5 small hops, a smiling face. 6 big waves, say hello. Move your body, fast or slow. Count and dance, come follow me. Moving, learning happily. 4, 5, 6, hooray! Count in numbers as we play. 7 steps, march in line. 8 big jumps, feeling fine. 9 bends down, 9 stands tall. Counting numbers, one and all. Count and dance, shout with joy. Every girl and every boy. 7, 8, 9, and then let's all count to 10. 10 loud claps, the song is done. Counting, dancing, learning fun. Wave goodbye, see you again. We'll dance and count from 1 to 10.